Pollution leaking at a closed textile plant in Union County might threaten Columbia's drinking water. Some local community members are looking to prevent that, and they are calling for state leaders to get involved. News 19's Becky Buds has the story.
Water gives us fuel for our human condition.
Thousands of Columbia residents rely on the Broad River for their drinking water. But environmentalists say a concerning issue lies 60 miles upstream at the Carlisle finishing textile plant.
They shut down that plant a couple years ago, but what they left behind was several wastewater lagoons that are filled with that PFAS pollution.
Congaree Riverkeeper Bill Stangler says PFAS, also known as forever chemicals, are becoming increasingly common in our waterways.
Chemicals that are used in a number of products, everything from stain-resistant carpeting to food packaging, firefighting foam, and textiles.
According to state data, the pollution on site is 7,200 times higher in groundwater than the proposed federal standard of 4 parts per trillion.
The concern is that stuff will make its way to the river and eventually make its way to our drinking water here in Columbia.
According to Stangler, the company ran a treatment plant for wastewater generated at the textile factory, but wastewater systems are not required to filter out forever chemicals before releasing wastewater into a river. The State Department of Health and Environmental Control sent a letter to factory representatives calling the environmental problems at the plant a, quote, urgent legal matter. Meeting the federal drinking water limit for PFAS could cost Columbia $150 million, according to Assistant City Manager Clint Sheely.
Yeah, we believe it's in our ratepayers' best interest to hold those responsible for polluting accountable.
Javar Juarez has lived along the Broad River for 15 years. He's hoping for swift action from officials.
This river moves fast. So not tomorrow, not next month, today.
In April, consultants submitted a cleanup plan to DHEC, but Stangler worries that even if the pollution can be cleaned up,
the reality is some of the damage has already been done here.
Reporting in Columbia, Becky Buds, News 19 WLTX.
Well, Sheely and Strangler says that water from the area goes through an intense filtration process, so it's still safe to drink.